When you think about manufacturing, you probably think of dirty machines, tired employees, and repetitive work. But that's not right. This is Say Plastic. Another misconception about manufacturing is that it's repetitive and the workers do the exact same thing every single day. At Say Plastics, it's a little different. They take on custom projects for clients and do different things every day. Today, they're making a plastic piece that fits onto the side of a car to protect the paint as the car is sent through the assembly line. The process of creating this piece starts with getting the job.
When we book a project, we could go through an avenue of a salesperson who is actively engaging with customers, finding out their needs, or being that we have a clientele already established, we have customers who will come to us with new opportunities for different challenges they face.
Next, Say Plastics will custom design a piece on SolidWorks, a computer design program, to solve the client's problem.
Most times the customers will have a unit or part for us that they need created, so then we will take that CAD model provided to us and we will make our models and fixtures and tooling based off of that model. Sometimes they don't provide it and they're asking for us to help them come up with the design, so we start from scratch.
After that, they'll create a mold based on the CAD design so that the piece will be exactly the same every time. Say Plastics is also experimenting with using 3D printing to create molds for some of their smaller projects. This is the process of heating foam-backed plastic in an oven-type machine so that they can press it onto the mold and create the final product. The gray piece is the mold and the magenta piece is the foam-backed plastic. Their oven does not work in the way that traditional ovens do. They use radiant heat that drives directly into the piece, which makes it more efficient. After that, the plastic cools and is pressed onto the mold. Then, the piece has the necessary holes drilled into it and is carved out by a machine. Finally, the piece is ready to be quality checked and shipped to the client.
There's a lot of misconceptions when it comes to plastic with the environment, so we like to try to clear that up. When it comes to manufacturing, we recycle like 95 to 98% of all the material that we have extra.
Typically, leftover plastic will be ground up into chips and remade into new sheets. Thank you for watching!